Welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing an unboxing and video review of the Tranya B530 wireless earbuds. So let's open up these bad boys. $15-month warranty. Stickers, instructions. So here they are. This is actually a charging case. It's USB. Let's pop this open. Very, very nice. So they held in place with magnets. What else we get here? Accessories. There's our charging cable. Nice. So let's get these charged up and check them out. Okay, I know what you're thinking. He's got super long hair and he's in a robe. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're in the middle of a global pandemic. Give me a break, please. Okay, so I charge these things up. Now, I have to admit something here. I am new to Bluetooth. I've been in tech since the late 80s, computers, programming, since the late 80s in tech. And would you believe it? I have never owned a Bluetooth device, or I've owned Bluetooth devices, but I've never needed to use Bluetooth. I've always used Wi-Fi or plugging in with a cable. So I was completely new to Bluetooth when I got these. They were given to me by the company for a review, and they wanted basically a no BS review. So pros and cons. So I was kind of reluctant to figure out how to use Bluetooth because I never used it before, and I didn't want to learn something new. So I got them working within 3 minutes. I had them working. I couldn't believe it. Never using Bluetooth in my whole life. In 3 minutes, I had these things up and working, listening to music on my phone. I can't show you samples because I'm recording on my phone. But anyways, they sound really good. When they're in your ear, they're very comfortable. They come with extra ear cups here for different sizes. But I find the default ones, medium ones, fit perfectly for me. As soon as you put it back in, you start playing music. As soon as you put them back in the charging base, it will show you the state of the charging base, and a little red light will go on, a little LED light will go on the earbud itself, basically charging it again. So you get up to 10 hours playback out of the case, and in the case you'll get up to 80 hours playback in the charging case. So a little meter there shows you the state of the charge. And it came mostly charged. I only had to charge it for about 20 minutes, and it was fully charged. So sound quality, I would have to say they sound very, very good. I was really impressed. But I have nothing to compare them to. I've never had earbuds before, ever. I've had headphones, lots of headphones, and I've got good ones right now that deliver deep bass. And so my only cons would be on these things is they're lacking in the bass department. They could be a little more bass, but then again, I have nothing to compare them to. I don't know. I have a high-end stereo over there. When I crank it, the bass is so loud and deep, everything shakes in the house. Same in my car stereo, everything just shakes. It's so loud and deep bass. These didn't deliver real deep bass. But I don't think it's a deal killer because on Amazon, almost every rating on this is a 5-star rating on Amazon. So I'm really impressed with the quality of the sound. They sound good and they're very comfortable in the ear. I didn't realize they were in my ear after a while. They're so comfortable. So, and the company told me when they gave these to me, they said that we may give you a discount code. So in the description below, check it out. There may be a discount code in there if you're thinking of picking them up. Links to Amazon, Canada, and USA are in the description as well. So basically, that's my review of the Tranya B530 wireless earbuds. I would say if I was in the market for earbuds, I'd keep these. I have really no use for them because I don't use earbuds. I never have use for them. So I'll probably end up giving these away or selling them. We do a giveaway on the channel or sell them. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do here yet. So that's my review on these Bluetooth earbuds. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.